si Consi na laon.
Ball game.
Baka lalong siguro hindi natin kalaro. Ikaw muna tayo. Scott!
First game, first match, interstate category. Atasaklista Brur versus Navigate.
Okay, bola namin. Navigate po, navigate.
First position, Navigate.
Hindi ko pag nag-list yun. First game.
RJ, Wonder Boy, Astro RJ, first attempt, first shoot, short. Ibaw naman Lucas. Lucas, kuhanin na shot, foul. Follow number 7 on Cochon. First on Murur, first personal foul. Cochon. Now RJ shooting a play. And to shoot, Steve.
Pare, pasok mo pare.
9 to shoot.
Nice, Wonder Boy.
El ball, Ilagan Ibaw. Cochon. Set play to go. Rendon, Ilagan, pass, steal ang Chongo. Rendon, 14 to shoot. Ilagan, first basket, first shot by Ilagan. Now 2-0. Murur.
Sapa pare, sapa.
Now Wonder Boy, Anderson. Third ball, blocked by Kelvin. To Ilagan. Now Cochon. Yes, on Rendon. 4-0. 4-point lead now on Murur. Anderson. Wonder Boy. RJ. First basket. Yes, on RJ. Now 3-4. 1-point lead on Murur. Cochon. Ilagan. Pass to Kelvin. Outside, go, short. Ipanong Rendon, foul.
24.
Foul number 24 on the sun. On Consejo. 5-3. 2-point lead now, Murur. 6-3. It's all Murur. RJ to Wonder Boy. The Sun, stop up, RJ, same spot. Yes, looper on RJ, now 5-6. Up to 1 point in the Murur. Turnover on Murur. 7 minutes and 30. It's only 1 point lead on Murur. RJ looking for Lucas. Escape drive, side step to remove, too strong, di pa ba Ilagan, looking for Cochon. Cochon, steal by Anderson. Save ball, nice steal by Anderson. It's 7 minutes. It's 6-5, 1 point in Murur. Lucas, foul. Foul on number 6 to Ilagan. First to Ilagan, second team foul Murur.
Grabe naman yung Messi sa GC. 2-5 lang, pero no.
Now 6-all.
Ang hirap kamo sa'yo.
Hindi. May best lane, nagsabay.
7-6, 1 point lead now, Navigate. This is our first game, first match of our inter-street category. May bas pulisa.
Kasi ang,
Kelvin, short. Rebound on the side. To Anderson. Anderson, stop up. Yes, to Anderson. 9-6. 3 point lead now. On navigate. Ilagan. Looking for Rondon. Rondon. To Hooper. Too strong. Rebound on RJ. Steal by Rondon. Let it fly. Let it fly. Kills him. 9-8.
Doon ka lang.
Wonder Boy. Looking for Anderson. Anderson. Air ball. Now Ilagan. Ilagan. Left-handed sweep short. Now Lucas. Steal by Go. Go.
Baba!
Dapat yun. Stop up. Ilagan. Ilagan. Strong move. Ilagan. Yes on Ilagan. 10-9. Back to 1 point in Urur. Now Lucas. Continuation. To the sun. RJ. And to shoot. Yes, again on Luber on Anderson. 11-10. Now go. Drive. Go. Escape. Go, Michael. Go. 12-11. RJ looking for Anderson. Anderson back to Lucas. Stop up. Is it jumper? Yes on Lucas. 14 against 12. It's only 2-point lead against Murur. Navigate.
Oo, si Jen. Kaya nga sabi ko nga, bakit naging ganito to?
Yes to go.
Ang mga team leader,
Foul. Foul. Foul.
Number 6.
Foul on number 6 sa Nilagan. Second Nilagan, third. Team foul against Murur. Sanderson. Robin Galatian troubling.
Then,
14 all. Go. Iba na kayo, Redon. 14 assists at lang, 14. Watch on. Foul.
24.
Consinco.
Foul on number 24 of the Sun.
Second person.
Conseco, second personal foul of the Sun.
Second team.
Second team foul na Navigate. Short. Now Wonder Boy.
Larga!
Hassan, escape, let it fly short. Rebound on Kilden. Go.
Oh.
Top. Kilden. Short again. Top by Conseco. It's 3-2. Conseco, stop out. Conseco. No! What a shot coming from Anderson. Up. 17-14. 3-point lead on Navigate. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Hindi ka laro si Papa mo.
3 points yan?
Now Ilagan. We're done. Side corner pocket short. Lucas to RJ. RJ fake. RJ short. Now Ilagan. Nice fake. Ilagan drive. Goes looking for goal. Go. Wow. Turnover against Murur. Our score 17 to 14. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Time out, Time out.
Pero sa akin, i-setting ako
Paano Lucas? To the Wonder Boy.
Pasukan mo, gita! Kat sa gita!
To RJ.
RJ.
Sabas!
Back to Anderson.
Cut!
Oh, Wonder Boy. Foul. Foul on number 25.
Kaya pa na 0 mo, nakatalo.
Go.
First would go.
Warning time.
Warning on Murur, 18-14. 2 minutes 20. Top by the Sun. Again, hesitate, Hassel play on the Wonderboy, pull out jump, Wonderboy, in and out. It's Murur rule, 2 minutes. Cochon setting a play. Yes, on Ilagan, strong move coming from Ilagan. 18-16, 1 minute and 40. Anderson, stop back. Too strong again, rebounds, kills him, let it fly. Let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. Oh, in and out. Iban again on let it fly, kills him. Short pass to go. Steal by Anderson, it's 3-1. Anderson to Wonderboy, first layup! Wow! Steal again by Anderson. 1 minute and 10. 46 seconds, 2-2. Anderson drive. Loose ball. 1 minute. It's 18-16. Steal again on Anderson. It's 3-2. RJ drive. Anderson block by Ilagan. It's 57 seconds, 57. Ten to shoot, 10. Ilagan. To Kelgen. Now let it fly, drive, let it fly. Second time around. Let it fly, Kelgen. Now 18 all, 40 seconds. The Sun. Looking for RJ. Nice drive, nice fake. The Sun drive. The Sun strong move, fake. The Sun, yes, easy shot from the Sun. Conseco, now 20-18. 25 seconds. 15.
Dinaligan mo ngayon.
9 seconds. Time out. On number 8.
Larong pa naman.
Ito, may tubig daw.
Anderson!
Yan, shooter.
4 seconds, 4.
Buka lang. Bibili tayo.
Murur.
3.
Takin tayo para magatingan. Takin tayo.
Para kung may dumating. Basta 10 lang. Wala lang. Pakayo pa. Baka nyo.
Soberano. De Leon. Short. Rebound on the corner. Nepi. Looking for Rakanolin. The captain back to Rakanolin. Maeng. Per goal. Iwan ang tagugtong. Sabiliano, in and out. Yes, nice shot coming from Alba. 20 all.
Ikunin yung tubig doon ba? Kuha lang sila kaulat yung tubig. Kuha niya. Kuha lang tubig doon. Wala rin tubig. Kuha lang sila doon isa.
Kukunin na ka kaya na.
Atin yun. Wala. Hindi yung nagbibenta. Atin yung wala tayong tubig.
Kakain na! Swing! Tapos kamay!
Foul. Oh, basket count and 1 on Sabiliano. Foul number 26 on Nepi. First personal foul on Nepi.
Wanted yan, wanted.
Basket count and 1 on Sabillano.
Tirano.
Soberano.
Soberano. Now Mike, looking for Nebi. First basket, first shot, short. Taguntong. To Soberano. De Leon. Nebi, pass to Rock and Rolling. Too strong. Last on number 11, on main. Now Soberano.
Vico. Vico.
Nebi. Nice make, nice move. Side step. Steal on Soberano.
Ayan.
Yes, on Soberano, now 24 against 20.
Score tayo!
Mine, fake, she stay. Looking for the captain. The captain drive, coast to coast, the captain too strong. Numero ang Bigo. Soberano. After Tangtong. Soberano, 40 to shoot. 10. Foul. Foul again ang number 2 this season, Nepi. Time out on Navigate. Second personal foul on Nepi. Second team foul, Navigate. Now Soberano. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Iwan by Alba. Back to Soberano. Soberano. 10 to shoot. In and out. Maing rebound.
Relax lang. Hindi sabayan. Karga!
To Nepi.
Nice one! Good job.
6 minutes and 20. Soberano. Favorite shot, short foul. Foul on number 13 on Murur. First on Murur. First personal foul, Soberano. Nepi again, straight, drive, going by Soberano. Nepi. Foul.
Soberano.
Foul again on number 13 on Soberano. Second team foul Murur. Second team personal foul on Soberano. Mine. Yes! On mine. 24 against 22. Foul. Foul on Bertie Alba. Personal Alba third. Team foul Murur.
Full charge siya. Meron green. Green ya.
Steal by Soberano. Alba. Yes, on Alba.
Dalawa!
4 minutes and 20. Taguntong, strong move, Taguntong, puso short, di ba check on the par now. Rock and roll Lim. It's 2 and 3. Now Lim. Setting a play. Looking for Mike, favorite shot, same spot, make, Mike, stop pump. In out, rebound by Alba. Leon, steal, Soberano to Alba, fake, Alba. Soberano now, 40 to shoot.
24.
In and out, rebound on the par, Gonzago. Now Lim. The captain, all alone, all alone, all alone, short. Kirion, blocked by the batter. What a block shot coming from batter now, Lim, foul.
Penalty. Penalty para penalty.
13.
Penalty direct, penalty. Second team, third team foul on Subirano.
Turbo nyo pare, lalamang tayo.
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Still 2 point lead Murur, 28 to 26. 1 point lead now Murur, 28 to 27. Ha?
Ayun kasi what?
Paano? Ibigay.
Lamaw si Tagungtong.
Lambot nga.
Now Subirano. Alba. Back to Subirano. 40 to shoot. 3 minutes. Wow! What a big jump coming from Leon. 30 to 27. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nepi. Side step, pull jump, short, iba ng Tagungtong. De Leon again, stop, pump, De Leon, too strong, iba on the captain to Nepi. It's 3 on 2. Nepi, side step, short. Alba. De Leon, fade away, jump shot, short, De Leon again. Side step, jump shot, De Leon. What a great to De Leon, now 32 to 27, 2 minutes and 15.
Set.
Air ball. Alba.
Hey, sakit.
Tagungtong, open jump. Yes, easy shot from Tagungtong. 34 to 27. Back to 7 point in Murur.
Lim.
Now Subirano. Tap by the putter. Nepi.
Ayan, gitna.
Nepi to the captain, jump, the captain drive to Nepi, stop up, Nepi, let Panwit, steal, now, Lim, to Maing turn, Maing guys, still on Alba, foul. Foul on number 6 on Nepi,
Nepi,
third personal foul on Nepi, third on Navigate. In out. Yes, on De Leon.
Kaya to.
27. De Leon again.
1 minute.
Maing. Too strong.
Mga depensa naman.
50 seconds. Ten to shoot.
Soberano.
30 seconds.
Alepi! Ay!
28 seconds. 28.
Wala. Sululog hangin.
Tantangan ng kuwan, tantangan ng kuwan. Diretso, direct.
Foul. Oh! Basket count. And 1 on Alba. Foul Whistle on the captain, Del. Warning for penalty on Navigates.
Middle first person.
Saan tayo? Wala, direct ano.
5 minutes. 5 minutes ulit.
21 seconds. $39 to 27.
This
15. 5 seconds.
Hindi kaya dyan.
2 seconds. 2.
Sulpon. 2 seconds. Pinsa ka main, di pinsa. Tumira.
It's 39 to 27. And the second quarter. Now, third quarter.
Eh, sipag na lang. 0-0 ah. Shooter lang ha.
Lucas, guarded by De La Cruz.
Darga tayo,
Desan. Foul.
Tan!
18.
Foul on number 18 on Mendoza.
Sa kaliwa ka umatake, sa kaliwa.
First on Murur. First personal foul on Mendoza.
Takihin nyo, takihin nyo! Hoy, amen! Okay, same ball.
Same ball. 14 clock at 14. It's 9 minutes and 39 seconds.
Kulang lang tayo sa...
It's 12 point lead on Murur.
Kahit isa sana, no? Kahit isa ilalim lang. Sorry. Walang palong. Oo.
Lucas.
Nag-extra effort na ako doon sa Magat, ano? Oo, si Magat.
Nice pass.
RJ.
Oh, top. By go. Now De La Cruz.
Tan, salubungin mo Tan, salubong. Diyan ka lang, diyan.
De La Cruz. Looking for Mendoza. Mendoza block by the Sun. Mendoza again. Mendoza fake. Still by Lucas. Lucas all the way. Lucas short. The Sun again. The Sun. Konchenko. Now 29. Against to 39. Back to 10 point in Murur.
Wala forward, diyan ka lang.
Now De La Cruz.
Taas kamay!
Foul. Now good ball. Mendoza again shot. Rebound on Lucas. It's 4-on-1. RJ to the Sun again. Wala shot by the Sun. Timeout on Murur. Now De La Cruz. Let it fly. Kale Jam, let it fly. 41 to 31. Back to 10 point in the Murur. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bigay!
Lucas to Kanchenko, Anderson, 40 to shoot, steal by go. Mendoza,
Abutan!
Keljem, let it fly. Can jump, block by the Sun, fake, go. Oh, what a great move by go.
Ketan! Wadan! Diyan lang!
43 to 31. 12 point lead, Murur. Anderson looking for Maeng. Again short. Rebound. No, it's still again by Anderson for 10 to shoot. 10.
Baba!
De La Cruz. Turnover on Murur. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds.
Bawas lang tayo, dalawa.
43 to 31.
Go strong!
2 point lead on Murur. 12 point lead on Murur. Now Lucas.
Parang lang. Bigay? Pag may bantay, bigay?
Dasan again. Dasan fake. Dasan drive. Dasan air ball. Rebound on Keljem. Let it fly. Let it fly now. Let it fly. Foul.
Tama yun.
Foul on number 11 on Maeng. First on Maeng. First team foul against Navigate.
Ready?
It's 43 to 31. Now Mendoza. Looking for Ilagan. Belgium, let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. Black short. Now Lucas. Foul.
Dalawa.
Foul on De La Cruz. Second team foul Murur. First
5 minutes pa, Maing. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
on Murur.
5 minutes.
6 minutes and 55 seconds.
Maganda pa ikot nila. Kasi Maing.
Sa first game, first match, our interstate category. May mas bilis na. 32 to 43.
Sige na, depensa lang kayo. Depensa.
It's 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Now go.
Harangan
De La Cruz.
Harangan mo. Yan.
Air ball. Ipanan Maing. To RJ by De La Cruz. Now it's 3 on 3. RJ drive. RJ escape. RJ. 44 to 43. Now 9.3 on Murur. It's 6 minutes and 20. Mendoza looking for go. Go, escape, go sa isang ilagan, drive, ilagan, in and out. Di ba nagan, nabigay, ilagan, easy shot, yes on ilagan. 45 to 34.
Foul!
Now, di ba ilagan again. It's 2 on 3, ilagan, coast to coast. Nice defense sa Maing. Defense at 5 minutes and 56 seconds. It's all Murur. 8-0 run against Murur. 45 to 34. De La Cruz. 14 to shoot.
Tan! Kumano ka dyan?
Pow!
Kumano ka doon? Ayun ang bolo. Mario Jose. Ano sinusundan mo ron?
Foul on the sun. Conseco.
Sa iyo atake.
Third on the sun. Second team foul lang. Gates. It's 14 to 6 sa clock 14.
Taasan mo lang ta. Taasan mo lang. Iwan ka dyan. Huwag ka sumunod.
Mendoza.
Kaya ko siya. Nasa trend dyan.
Go.
Yan.
Bang! 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 On goal! 48-34.
Nasa kanya lahat ng ano.
Lucas to RJ. Short.
Sab na sab.
Sabi to sir, sub.
Sab. Jenny.
4 minutes and 59.
Ha?
Hindi ka pre, sumigaw ka kasi.
De La Cruz. Tap by Mendoza. Black by the father foul. Foul naman pa sa dito sa rep sub. First on father, third team foul lang gate. Sub rep.
5.
Nagagawa ni. Offensive. Ay, mamatay.
Na Alba. De La Cruz. Short. Mendoza. 47 sa clock 14. Go. Foul.
Sorry ka naman!
Foul na number 14.
Pag ginantiyan ka naman eh.
On the Wonder Boy. Warning for penalty on navigate. 2 free throw shot coming from Brindon.
O ganyanin mo.
It's 48 to 34. $49 to 34. Now Lucas. Foul.
Hindi na pabiluin.
Foul on go. Second personal foul on go. Second team foul, Murur. 4 minutes It's all Muru, 49 to 34. This is our first game, first match. Enter street category by basketballista.
Habol tayo, pare, habol tayo.
49 to 36, back to 13-point lead. Muru. Now De La Cruz. Ilaga Redon. Pass to Alba, Alba. Pump-up jumper, Alba. Yes! On Alba. Mendoza shoot. On the putter. Now Wonderboy. Wonder looking for Lucas. Lucas, pump, jump, shot. De La Cruz. Now Redon. To Alba again, Alba saves, Alba favorite shot again, short jumper, shorts. To the father and son. To Lucas. Lucas, guarded by De La Cruz, knock the open shot. RJ, looking for the sun, drive the sun, escape, too strong, the sun again. Mendoza, out. Traveling very soon, Mendoza. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Isa lang. Time out kami.
Time out! On Navgate.
Offensive yata yun. Rap! Grabe naman. Napansin daw, focus ako dito sa...
Now De La Cruz. We're done. Traveling Malaysia, traveling. Traveling Malaysia, traveling.
Nice one.
Boy, oh. Sino ba to? Kabil lang yata lang.
Okay.
Ayun.
Nice one. Sige!
Prep.
2 minutes.
Set.
Patay ka na training kayo pag-training mo ngayon.
Magkagad.
Balik
Nasa
buwasak.
harapan na. Ang araw nila doon pa.
Balik buwasak.
Mendoza. Foul on number 5 on the putter. Conseco now navigate on penalty.
Conseco second personal foul.
Second personal foul against the putter.
Warning penalty, I penalty.
It's 1 minute and 38 seconds. 51 to 36. 52 to 36.
Luma kayo? Ikot tayo. Ayan kay Sander.
Bang on the Wonder Boy.
Challenge, walang kumpiyansa.
Alba.
Sa'yo na yan.
Ay!
Short. Mendoza. To Rendon. Yes, on the Rendon. 58 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Alba. Third team foul on Marur. 53 seconds.
Ginamit yun.
Mamaya dalawa, no?
Yung dalawa.
53 seconds. 53.
Isa lang yan, ha? Sige! 14.
Ay, short.
39 seconds. 39.
Pare, magtulungan kayo, mas madali. Pag nagtutulungan. Pasa ng konti, open man. Dahil sa'yo may bola lagi. Sa'yo lagi may bola. Kaya mo yung drop pa sa kanila.
Linggan.
Yes, on Redon. 24 seconds.
Pingit ako, kung dapat. Kaya pa tayo,
15.
Rep.
Foul. Foul on number 25 on goal. Warning for penalty on Murur. 6 seconds, 6 to shoot, 6 seconds.
Ayo tayo, magkapapatid na.
And of the third. Go.
Ano ba rin kailangan mo? Kailangan natin mabul pare. Kailangan kayo. Doon si RR doon. Pare, kunatan nyo. Kunatan nyo iba po. Kunatan nyo. Saan makakalagpas sa guard sa'yo? Yung dalawa sa ilalim, sa dalawang nasa color dyan.
Now, Puanchon.
Sa isusugod, sa iya. Kabiling.
Proudration.
Kaya mo na. Pag nalagpasan yung guard mo, ito ang last line. Warning number 7 for delaying the game.
Warning on number 7 on the lane of the game. Puanchon.
Si Maeng. May iwan. Kaya konti, masyado ka natin. Ikaw na muna. Yan, ganyan. Yan na, pag maluwag, pare. Nice. Right. Bawal depensa.
9 minutes and 19.
Babayin nyo lang ng 10 in 5 minutes, pare. In 5 minutes, 10.
Puanchon.
Saan ilalim?
Air ball. Top. By Bigo. Now, Lucas. Wow! Basket down and 1 on Epi.
Oo, pasang ganun.
Foul on number 1. On 13 on Soberano.
Nakasya na tayo. Third quarter mo lang to?
Soberano.
First team foul on Murur.
Soberano,
Fourth personal foul on Soberano. Warning on Soberano.
Nakalikod na ako sa balik. Kasi magkasugar na. Laban, oy! Ay, dilit! Baba na kasi! Wala kayong mga gawa pag walang tao!
Foul. Foul number 11 on May. Second personal foul on May. Chris on Nabi.
Mas magaan ang buhay. Minus 2 plus 2.
Oh, gano'n naman. Lagi ka na kasi mangot eh.
Sabi mo sa akin ano?
Cute, ah.
Sabi nila mag-score daw siya.
Lagi na kasi mangot. Paano makakashoot?
Tama. Uy! Sige na, sige na. Open bigay. Pisto na lang. Bigay pare.
Foul. Foul on Kiljem. Second team foul Murur. First personal foul against Kiljem. Now Soberano. 8 minutes. Puanchon.
Lapit, TV, lapit. Uy, Paul! Pasa.
Yes, on Anderson. Time out on Murur.
Awan. Awan ni Sunaya. Kanina sa pusit. Ayaw ng hangin. Ay, wala ka katawan. Ano pagkakataon niya? Baba nyo. Pagkakataon.
Kickball.
7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Presto na kagad. Huwag nakatalikod. Bigay na pare, bigay. Bigay na.
Foul on Kiljem. Third team foul on Murur. Second personal foul on Kiljem. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. 46 to 43.
Saksakan nyo pare, saksakan nyo. Ano tinos? Foul!
14 to shoot, 14.
Abay kayo nag-post ka may di...
Dalawa.
Gusto!
Bigay!
Ay, ay.
7 minutes.
Bawi, sige bawi! Papa pa yun!
Pare, open ko ulit.
Leon. Bang! 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 On Soberano. Lucas.
Wala.
6 minutes and 30.
Dipi.
Substitution rep, sub.
Tissue.
Tuan. Koton.
Kamusta?
Kaya sub. Pasok si Daddy, father. Yes, on the sun. Conseco.
Reserve substitution.
Panchon, 6 minutes. Leon, 10 to shoot, 10. Maing. Substitution rep, sub.
Welcome to NBA! Tom, saan bidaan saya?
Okay ka na.
Ayaw Bas. Sila naman! Tawa naman kayo!
Midget.
Foul on number 5 on the corner. Second team foul on number 8. Sub.
Third.
Personal foul against on the corner, Gutsenko.
Ray!
60 to 45. Foul on go. Warning for penalty on Murur.
Third.
Third personal foul on go. Fourteen to Settle, 14, mine. Nice pass. Whoa! What a great shot from pass from mine to the power. Conseco, now 47 to 60. 13-point lead on Murur. Ilagan. Wonder Boy to Lucas. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Now Murur penalty.
Ay, sakit na kaway ka.
Ano pa rin kamay ni Conrad, ikaw?
De La Cruz,
Bakal yan,
second
pre.
personal foul.
Second personal foul against De La Cruz. Now 12-point lead Murur. 60 against 248.
So, free throw lang.
Iyakap na nga ako eh.
Double foul on number 67, Bendon. And number 14 on the Wonder Boy. Now 13 foul on Navigate. Second personal foul on the Wonder Boy.
9.
Go. Back to De La Cruz. Alba. Bang! Alba! Four minutes. 14 to shoot. Whoa! Basket count and one on the San Gonzalo.
Box out.
Foul on Ilagan.
Ilagan, third.
Third personal foul against Ilagan. Navigate ball, same ball, navigate. Position arrow tayo, navigate.
Table pala yun. Sa akin.
Oo.
For possession ball game lang yan, pre. Tapos tayo,
14 is shot clock, 14. 4 minutes. Only 12 point lead. On Murur.
Ilan time out namin? Number 9.
Foul on De La Cruz. Penalty.
Mark, huwag ka mga harot.
De La Cruz, third.
Third personal foul on De La Cruz.
Baka dyan tayo madali ha. Kaya sa kumpiyansa kayo. May oras ha.
Go. 62 to 51. Now Alba. 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Gerard. Agis. Tikot.
Ay,
Substitution of sub.
Ganda, sarasa lang.
Right.
Sarasa pa rin. Kahit tayo kabila. Ila. Karga. Jay. Sir.
Foul. Substitution of sub. Foul on number 11 on Mine. Warning for penalty on Navigate.
maing third personal foul.
Third on Mine. It's 3 minutes and 10 seconds on the last quarter. This is the first game, first match, enter street category. By Basketballista.
Good.
Rendon. 64 against 51. Lucas. Foul on number 25 on go. Substitution time up sub. Penalty.
Go. Third. Go.
Third personal foul against go.
Ganyan na naman, may foul.
Kita ko mo kubuha ka ng foul.
Tayo kanina. Lepas, cek. Mira lah.
Same ball.
2 minutes and 56 seconds. 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Tandaan naman yan. Cek. Cek lang. Ikot.
10 to shoot.
Oy,
2 minutes and 30.
Oy! Oy! Grabe na.
Yes, on the sun. Last 2 minutes foul. Foul on Anderson, penalty. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Muru. Timeout against Navigate.
Magta dito, pare. Magta.
Sobrang
Nakabot pa.
Our next game will be Open League category. Abu Dhabi Bombers versus UAE.
Ikaw na lang kulang.
Chet. Yan.
10 to shoot, 10.
Kailangan banano to sa isa. Hoy, Paulo. O isa. Grabe. Bigay. Paulo.
Yes, son Gonsenko.
Isa.
1 minute and 30 seconds, 64 to 56. Foul. Foul on Lucas. Penalty.
Boy, wonder. Basta kami nakaalat ikaw.
65 to 56, 1 minute and 22 seconds.
Wala akong masahan sa dalawa ko sa pagod ako na sa Din lang na konti. Wala. Yan. Okay, isa lang sa ilalim matitira. Diba? Dali sana. At saka kahit i-shooter, dalawa pa kami. Good! Hawak lang! Biling!
Foul on number 11, Anderson. Penalty.
Simple lang ginagawa ko man dyan.
First and Anderson.
Hindi, pero minsan communication natin. Paano natin yan pare? Ayay!
67 against 56.
Panoorin natin ang kaya natin. Kaya Sabay.
14 assists at 14. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Nepi. Penalty. 57 seconds.
Pero actually, no, pag nakakaka na ba sa mabas mo pag-active to.
69 on 56.
Kasi yung gano'n mo sa guard, hindi mo laban niya. Nag-adjust ka na.
14 to shoot.
Basta lumapit sa'yo, pare natin mo na yun. Pasa mo lang.
Bang! Oh, the sun. Gutsenko. 30 seconds.
It's okay, pare.
Penalty left, penalty. Foul on Anderson.
Lahat ng kalaban, Pero bago
70 to 59, 30 seconds.
Rola.
And to shoot.
Let's go, pare, let's go. Okay. Foul. Ay, wala siya. Bawas. Resisting.
10 seconds. Bang! Oh, Anderson.